Hello everyone, dear friends. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we will talk to you about how you can quickly easily scan any document on iPhone. But don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under the video and write comments. And let us get down to the topic with you, dear friends. And actually scan documents on iPhone is a very simple and fast process. For this, you will not need to use any additional applications. Everything is already pre-designed on your iPhone. To do this, you just need to find and click on the Notes app, and you'll be presented with a little menu like this. And here, just select the option to scan document. Next, you'll have the back camera open up, and you'll just need to point it at the document. And as you can see, it will be scanned instantly. After that, you will just need to click Save. So the documents will be saved in all your notes, and you can open the Notes app at any time and find your scanned documents. That's how very quickly and easily you can scan documents on any iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. Bye everyone.